Welcome, fellow Jedi. The Padawan journey will provide a unique storyline that will define my Padawan's life. Rishar Manair will learn that nothing is impossible with the Force. So I invite you all to witness his journey, his struggles and success, all the lessons needed to become Jedi. My name is Aimar Tal. May the Force be with you.